I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you have long-term care insurance, this message is definitely for you. So stay tuned. You're going to learn a lot. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the inclusions of long-term care insurance. If you're paying for long-term care insurance, I definitely recommend you to consider a deduction, especially if you're a professional. You're probably an insurance agent, or you actually have long-term care insurance for your father, your mother, your grandma, your grandpa, you name it. It's very important that you understand what the IRS is going to be treating the premiums as. So the maximum limitation for this year, 2019, I'm saying 2019 in terms of tax season. We're in 2020, but since it's retrospective 1 year, that's why I mentioned 2019. So for 2019, guys, tax season 2019, the maximum limitation that we can actually deduct means that we have 5270. Okay, so 5270 of premiums, and this is for people that are age 70 years old and older. So there are five different age thresholds that we need to account for. So if you're a professional and you know your client's age, you be sure to contact me. I have information for you. I have an actual chart that's going to help you consider what is it's going to help you classify properly your client, so that way you give them an idea about what it is that they can actually deduct. Again, this is just it's available for you guys. If you're an insurance professional, contact us. We have a lot of tools and resources to help you edify, to help you retain your clients and your business. So one of those would be a long-term care deduction limit. So there's five different age thresholds that we need to account for. But if you're at least 70 years old, okay, if you're paying for long-term care insurance, you can actually deduct 5270 of your long-term care premiums at the end of the year. So this means that you can file Schedule A, which is itemized deductions, and pretty much, at the top of the form, you have income limitations for medical expenses, medical and dental. So among those medical expenses, assuming you have the limitations taken care of, then 5270 is something that you can actually deduct. So if you do not know what long-term care insurance, we're going to be providing additional content for that. But for those of you that already do have it, this is just a quick video, quick heads up for you to be ready for tax season. So long-term care insurance is something that you can get in a rider for a permanent policy. You can get it. You can get a policy designated just for long-term care. A lot of our clients actually do that, and they save a lot of money versus getting just a separate long-term care policy. So if you're in California, you're about age 49 and 50, you're young and healthy, probably not smoke, probably not drink, you're probably paying around $1,000. So that's something that you can actually get as a benefit. But again, some of it may be deductible according to your age, as I mentioned. Nonetheless, we're going to be talking more about long-term care insurance. We're going to talk about other forms of wealth strategies, how you can use insurance to your favor. So again, be sure to talk to your professional, your insurance agent. Make sure you're getting the best quotes. Make sure that your tax professional knows that if you're paying for long-term care, right, that means that you have ability to deduct if it's going to be beneficial to you. Because sometimes Schedule A itemized deductions, it's a great way to save taxes. It's the most common way, but it's also the most common way to get flagged. And I have a lot of cases to back this up. So guys, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. It's great talking to you guys and spreading what we have as knowledge and experience, and I hope this is useful to you in any way. So if you like it, share it with your friends, and if you want to just talk, or if you have any specific questions, we're more than happy to help you and get you out of any doubts or solve any problems that you have. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.